Good morning, beautiful people. It's me, Lena, and it's Sunday today. I'm not working there again, and I want to take you with me to the waterfall. So this waterfall is not really far, and I can visit after one more very beautiful place, and it's kind of even magical place. So I take it with me. Let's go. My friend for today. So last time when I was at this exact waterfall, it was probably like 5 or 6 years ago, and it was like empty, non-touristic, nothing was here, only just a little path to the waterfall, and that's it. But now it's all like with the facilities, everything, with the restaurant, and ticket is not cheap, I must admit. Okay, let's go. So many stairs, I didn't expect it. On the way back I will struggle probably, but my inner child super excited when I'm in the places like this. So I'm like in a jungle. Super cool. This is super rare. I'm here on my own, like nobody. It's very, very rare in Bali. Wow, it's super cool. Look. I should go swim. And you have to go upstairs like a payment for the beauty. There are some chickens. Now we go to the second magical place. Just some ancient tree that I found on my way. So this is it. This is a huge Asian banyan tree. I mean, look at this. I have some good karma today because I am alone here as well. Because last time when I was here it was crowded. Like not crowded, but some people. so cool. So it's like you're like Pocahontas in places like this. Feels amazing. I will take it to try to grow. I made it back home, so I will relax and spend my rest of the Sunday in home, or maybe sunset walk. So see you next time in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you, bye bye.
I'm happy.